Hey, today we're running errands. I need to go to Costco. Apparently there is a second threat of a snowstorm coming in. So we're going to go to Costco, get a few more goodies and emergency staples, mostly chips, and see what we can get into. So without further ado, let's go. All right, before we head out, I wanted to show you what the snow looks like right now and how crazy it is. Well, let me just show you. So this is our front yard. If you didn't see the neighbors across the street, you wouldn't even know it snowed. But as we pan across, we'll see a little bit of snow. That is because the sun heats up this front area. But if we start going towards the back, yeah, look at how much snow is still here. Hey, MSR time. Whoop, it is. This is icy right here. So we need to be careful. But look at this. Yeah, this is our backyard. That's the hot oh, almost fell. Oh my gosh, this is slippery. But yeah, we're supposed to be getting more snow. I cleared out the back patio just because I like to come out here and stand in the mornings, and standing on ice is not fun. But yeah, how crazy is that? Look at these chunks of ice I chiseled out. All right, now we're headed to Costco. All right, we made it to Costco, and I usually park in the back far away because I need to get my steps in, but we're here. Let's go see what magic awaits us. This is the only one that they have. All the rest of them look like this. So I have no idea how much this one costs, but I like this. It's great for everyday carry for all your content creation needs. I can't believe I haven't bought this yet. I still don't understand the point of this. I think they actually allow you to play games directly from it now, but yeah. I mean, if you want to give me one of these, I'll take it. I found it. It's $9.97? $9.97. I'm just gonna... Well, I don't need this. I want it. I even want this. I should get this for Valentine's Day, make it and give it to my wife, even though that kind of takes the fun away from doing the Lego. No, I'm not kidding. I'm not kidding. If I'd have to go somewhere after this, I would buy these, but... Are you Lucky Charms marshmallows? Are you serious? Yeah, I'm buying these. Raspberry cheesecake? Yeah. I need warmer socks, and these are the only ones I could find that feel thick enough to handle this cold. Could not find gloves though. I don't think they have gloves. They have a silly amount of Dubai chocolate options nowadays. Don't want. We can get a whole bar set for $19.99. Find the urge to get that. I mean, we should leave at least one of these, right? This is coming with me. No alcohol, but look at the tree. Fight the urge, baby. Fight the urge.
I almost left without getting the chips. If we were snowed in with no chips, that would be a travesty.
I would get either those. I probably pick those up. Would definitely get those. Holy Grail right here. I'm not gonna do it today. What is this? Hero Oreos? It's $1 less? Should get 20 less. But we don't need that today. We don't need that today.
$9.97. Place your $9.97. $20.39. Follow the instructions on the pin pad.
Success. We got everything we needed and a little more than we did, but we should be prepared for this incoming secondary snowstorm. So yeah, I got some snacks, I got some food, got the salmon. I got a new bag for my everyday carry items. Yeah, success. Thank you for watching. If you haven't already subscribed, go ahead and do so. And we'll see what the next adventure holds. I'll see you in the next one. Peace.